Hi there, my name is Yuhan. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Today, I bring to your attention the continuation of a fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the repair of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Diagnostics, installation, repair, configuration, and maintenance of appliances you will find all this in my videos. Therefore, without delay, I suggest you subscribe to my channel right now. Let me introduce a dryer LG. Reason for service call: LG dryer needs maintenance, the lint filter does not fit well. There is a lot of dust inside the dryer that is difficult to clean. The dryer smells bad. I am near the LG dryer. I am starting a visual inspection. Right now I turn on the dryer and can select a mode. The selector does not respond to commands. The buttons don't respond either. The problem does not fully match the statement during the service call. I am starting to diagnose the cause of the problem with this LG dryer. First of all, I check that the necessary 220 volts are available for normal operation of the LG dryer. The input voltage is normal and the power board also receives satisfactory electrical voltage. The second thing I will check is the integrity of the wires and the reliability of the connecting contacts. I checked all connections with a multimeter. I cleaned all the contacts and checked the integrity of the entire electrical circuit. Success! The dryer responds to commands. Now I can begin a comprehensive interior cleaning of this LG dryer. I disassemble and thoroughly clean from dust and dirt, check all components of the dryer and carry out their maintenance, cleaning and lubrication. Done. I assemble and checked operation of the dryer in all modes. Repair and maintenance completed successfully. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.